Hey there. Welcome back to our channel edAmplify, where it is all about growth and learning, and elevating your professional skills to the next level. I'm your talent crafting coach and guide on this adventure. Today, we have got something special lined up, a topic that is going to elevate your skills and leave you with insights you can apply right away. But before we dive in, if you are new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of curious minds, because we are all about making every day a learning experience. Now, on to today's session. We are delving into unveiling 5 secrets of strategic leadership that can elevate your business skills for success. Whether you are a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills or a newbie eager to soak in some knowledge, you are in the right place. Stick around till the end because I have got some game-changing tips and tricks to share. And hey, if you find value in what you see, do not forget to give that thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. So, grab a seat and let us dive into today's adventure together. In the fast-paced world of business, strategic leadership is the key to unlocking unparalleled success. Let's unveil 5 secrets that will help you elevate your skills for unparalleled success at workplace. Our first secret is visionary thinking, often considered the North Star of strategic leadership. Successful leaders have the ability to envision the future of their organizations beyond day-to-day operations. They set a compelling vision that inspires teams and stakeholders. So, how can you embrace visionary thinking? You can do that by foster a culture of shared vision, inspiring your team to see beyond the present. By fostering a culture where your team not only understands their present roles but also sees the collective journey towards a shared vision, you will unlock the true potential of strategic leadership. Now, let's dive into our second secret, adaptable decision making. In a world filled with uncertainties, strategic leaders thrive by making agile decisions. They don't fear change, they embrace it as an opportunity to innovate and evolve. And how can you enable adaptable decision making? Well, you can do that by develop agility in decision making. See change as an opportunity, not a threat. By developing the skill of adaptable decision making, you'll navigate challenges with ease and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Moving on to our third secret, effective communication. It's not just about conveying information, it's about creating understanding and alignment. Let's explore how you can master the art of communication. Ensure clear communication of strategic goals. Foster shared understanding within the team. Clear and effective communication is the glue that binds strategies together, ensuring everyone is on the same page and propelling the organization forward. Our fourth secret is the power of collaboration, building a high-performance team. Strategic leaders understand that success is a team effort. They invest time and effort in creating teams that are not only skilled but also aligned with the organization's vision. Cultivate a culture of collaboration. Empower team members and celebrate collective achievements. Empower your team, delegate responsibilities, and celebrate collective achievements to foster a sense of ownership and commitment. Last but certainly not least, our fifth secret, continuous learning and innovation. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial in the dynamic professional landscape. Let's see how you can embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Foster a culture of innovation. By staying ahead of the curve, you ensure that your strategies are not just relevant today but sustainable for the challenges of tomorrow. To conclude, strategic leadership is the cornerstone of success in the professional world. By mastering these 5 secrets, visionary thinking, adaptable decision-making, effective communication, building high-performance teams, and a commitment to continuous learning, you'll transform your professional journey towards unparalleled success. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Also, don't forget you join us as our premium member of the talent crafting community and embark on a journey of self-improvement with our cutting-edge communication and interpersonal skill programs. Visit www.edamplify.com/membership and unlock the key to acquire the business skills for success. Until next time, stay strategic, stay successful.